Okay, so just putting it together an illustration for my new and upcoming book, which I hope you'll all rush out and buy. I'll give you more details as it comes, as we get there, as it gets closer. Just putting this, it's not the final illustration, but it's getting close towards the end of it. I've kind of redone quite a few of them. You know, you kind of get to that stage where you're kind of doing something, you're kind of feeling good about it, and then something comes in and distracts you, and then you come back to it and you start drawing like a dozy Muppet, you know? It's like, and that's what happened in the middle of it. And I did a whole batch of drawings that was just like, you know, bloody shite, really. But, so I'm going in and, changing up a few of them just to kind of get some nice feeling to it. And this is the part in the middle of the story where they've been waiting for some kind of alien contact, and they've obviously been sitting at their computers for many years. Nothing's been happening, and all of a sudden that alarm goes off. That kind of, we are here, we are sending contact. And everybody goes crazy. So it's quite a nice kind of part of it. A great part in the story where things just go absolutely crazy, you know. Which is really enjoyable. It's quite a difficult one, because sometimes when you're writing, you're trying to pace it and don't do things too crazy too early, but then when you're doing the illustrations, you're kind of desperate for something to happen, something dramatic and wild, you know, so you can kind of start throwing some ink about. So this is where Eugene and his dog Lazar, obviously after Bob Lazar, we know who he is, right? If you don't, well, go and check him out. And oh, it's very thick. What's going on there? There's something stuck on the end of my nib. So this is the scene in their lab. I'll do a little bit of background over there later on. I always kind of draw the boring bits last. I know you shouldn't. I know you shouldn't, but you know, I kind of draw the background and stuff like that last minute. It's like, get on and have the fun and draw everything up, and then kind of sort it out afterwards, you know. Right, I need to have a nice kind of, I like the idea of having a nice kind of coffee cup and a sandwich kind of going in the air, you know. Like, that's his coffee, obviously, with the excitement. He's kind of thrown his coffee cup up in the air, and all his coffee or his tea has just gone all over the place. Let's draw a nice little alien or something in there on his mug. Cool. Happy with that. Let's get a nice kind of like a piece of cake or something as well there. It's obviously kind of falling apart as it's and that's the dog there jumping. That's Eugene jumping. Oh, sorry Eugene, forgot your hair, man. What's going on with this nib? Dear, it's starting to get all blobby on me. This is anyway just an update for you, just so you know that I've been quiet. Yeah, I've been quiet. Well, you know, I've been busy as well. I've been constantly working on this book. I'll call it H for now, as in H for Henry or Harriet or Henrietta or hot cross bun. There you are. Eugene has hair. Lovely. And this is the alarm switch that's going on over here. So stay in touch, stay around. Go and watch some of the other videos and get an idea of what's going on. There's been a couple of drawings in there that I've sneaked in about the new book. And I'm really excited by it. I'm really fired up by it. And I'm hoping you're all gonna run out and buy like 1,000,000 squillion copies of it. And if you don't, I'll be gutted. This pen is playing up with me. What are you doing? You want to go all slow today, do you? What the hell's going on? What is up with that nib? So, this will be my, I don't know, like 160 books or something now I've made. So there's lots for you to catch up with. Go and check out some of the old Worry Lips books and Ghost Tabulous, Cat. Loads of them out there. Come on. I have to change this nib. I think this one's dead, but I only changed it like 10 minutes ago. A couple of other buttons and maybe like a little lever in there. Cool. And that is today's finished illustration. I will try and do some more from the book if you're interested, if you're gonna go out and buy it. If not, I'll have to wait and just let you wait and see what the book's all about. One thing for sure, I'm going to have to change this nib because this nib is screaming at me. But it's a really cool book, written and illustrated by me. So it's going to be a real crazy fun package and quite a big adventure in this one. Very, very, very different to the stuff I've been doing before. Very, very different. A little bit more kind of teenagey, I guess you could say. There you are. And that is it, done. And I hope you enjoyed that drawing for today. This is from the new book, so stay around and do the subscription. If you subscribe, you'll know when the book's coming, and you might see a few more of the illustrations coming up in the next couple of hours, couple of days. Hopefully I'm not going to be illustrating this more than another week, because I've already done like 100 illustrations for it. So it's going to be a fabulous book. But there's a nice little intro for you today. And you guys can kind of jump in there and go and give me some likes, give me some love, and I will let you know about the new book very soon. Okay. Stay cool, stay funky, and have a fantastic day. I hope you liked the droid. If you did, give me a comment. I want to hear all from you. Fabulous. See you soon.